Hello, Shae here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I do videos on locks, videos on home decor, and videos on healthy eating. So if that's your thing, please don't forget to subscribe. Where are we? We are in my family room. The last time you guys were here, I had different artwork on the wall. Okay, so let's get into this new family room that I have created. My artwork, so these actually came from the thrift store. I really miss my gallery walls, so I decided to do another one. So this one, of course, it's different from the original gallery wall that I had. I'll put up a photo for you guys. But this one's different, of course, because the color scheme is different. So a lot of this artwork, some of this artwork you've seen before, and I'll talk about it. But as you can see, there is one picture missing, and that's because I just ordered a print from Etsy, and I want to show you guys that. All right, so I was telling you guys that I still needed a print for that large, kind of large piece. So I went on to Etsy, and I'll put the information on the screen. But I went on to Etsy and I ordered from a Black-owned boutique, and it's just like an African tribal print. So I am going to put this in that frame over there, and we'll see how it looks. Alrighty, ta-da! So the final result is that. So let me just quickly tell you guys about the artwork. If you saw my other video about my living room reveal, you would have saw that. These two prints are from Etsy. I'll put the link down below as well. They're actually the same design. I just turned one horizontal and then one vertical. That one was the one I was telling you guys about earlier. That's from Etsy. This right here is an old print from Kirkland's. It has been on my gallery wall before. The mirror up there is, I have no idea where I got it from, but it's so old. And then these two prints right here are from an estate sale. That is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.